its piston doesn't go straight. It goes like, you know, spinning. It's not a problem. So you have your handbrake lifted.
Yeah, his handbrake lifted. You need to relieve?
Yeah.
That's a wall to adjust.
Tightens the cable itself. So here, so here I sprayed some WD-40 to loosen the rusted bolts. Nice. They do charge a lot, yeah, I do understand it. So here, look, this piston goes back only by, you know, spinning, I mean rewinding itself, because it has threads inside.
So
The piston doesn't go back. So this caliper rewinder tools head
for the rear
for rear
rear brake piston.
Yeah, it's
so
very
right.
hard to drive. Yeah, it's very hard to ride. Slowly.
So this is a normal.
It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's normal stuff. And it will come back to tighten the disc, and it's fine.
To remove this one.
So yeah, we got the caliper bracket, the bolts.
That's very tight, isn't it?
It was tight and it has a bit rust. Still not bad. Still not bad. The master did his job last time, I guess. Oh, I think it's the first time. It has a bit different geometry. But look, it has lots of
Rust.
dirt. and rust,
Yeah.
Ideally, it's good to buy new clips every time you change the pads,
Okay.
but they're fine unless they're not full of rust or damaged.
I
They
don't
can
know.
be
So
cleaned.
maybe next time if I know, I'll buy.
Yeah, next time.
Is that broken or?
No, it's a paint.
Because
of heat. The
can
paint,
be melt.
Yeah, paint melts down a bit. So these are the pins. So we are spraying WD magic spray. That does everything.
I guess it's from tomorrow. It's gonna be rain for next whole week.
Oh yeah, it was lucky, right? This good. I mean, affordable, but maintaining a car, keeping the car running is very bad.
Depend on driving as well. Like if you
Back to its place.
sorry.
Second, no problem. It will take place.
Right. Okay.
Because as I told you, this thing hydraulic pressure straightly. Hydraulic pressure pushes this piston. This one goes on upside. We grease these ears to Oh, sorry, to move a bit freely. Yeah, that's nice.
It's fitted.
Yeah. The uncomfortable thing here is the so here we have our caliper.
What is the bolt for that one, bro?
This one, yeah,
Wait.
hose.